Morning dear students, how are you all? So let's start today our computer subject and lesson number 3, working on Windows. So today see on page number 24 we are going to see about in detail screensaver. What is screensaver and how does it works? So first of all, starting of the line, other than the wallpaper there is a moving animating image that appears on a monitor. Okay, that appears on a monitor. It is called the screensaver. Okay, when you see any picture movie, okay, on the monitor or a wallpaper you are changing, so that whatever you see on the screen is known as screensaver. Wallpaper, once you decided this wallpaper, it stays over there, so that is screensaver. That is for the screen that is saved. Okay, so in that way you can keep in mind, a screensaver appears when a computer has been idle for some time. Okay, it appears when you are doing any work and it is on, you can see that, okay, idle for some time, and you can also change. The various type of change a screensaver are listed below. You can also change screensaver. So how to change screensaver? Here are the few steps. Okay, so changing a screensaver, these are the steps. So first one, what you are going to do, click on the start button as usual. First you need to start your computer. Second one, go to click on the control panel. Then after the control panel, there you will see a window will appear, and in that go appearance and personalization categories. Okay, personalization, from the word personalization, means for your choice selected you are going to keep. Okay, so from that, and in that you are going to click on any, first you can click any picture you like. Okay, you selected that, then change screensaver. It will ask you that you want to change previous one, so you are going to click on that option. Okay, and the previous one will change and it will come new on your window. Okay, on your as a wallpaper, sorry, not on window, on your screen. Next one is screensaver from the choice displays. Then you can see that we can also add a password. You can also add a password to the screensaver and increase or decrease the length. Okay, you can decrease or increase the length or time for it to appear. Sometime you want to display few screensaver that you did and few timing only, afterwards as usual, so that also you can do. Click on the apply and then OK and to exit. So if it is not clear in your mind, your screens are there for you. Start button. Okay, from start, when you start your computer you will see this all type of window, and go to the control panel. Okay, after going to control panel, here is the third step, appearance and personalization, third step. Fourth one, in that you are going to select your selected one picture. Okay, and number 5, it will ask you for the timing or whatever changes you want, previous one and timing for the appearance of that screensaver. Okay, and 6th number, you are going to click for the time, that yes, for this limited time, so that will be also saved. Okay, and number 7, after giving OK, that process goes on and your work goes on for the screen, and OK, exit from this screen and you will be out of this screen. Now next is icon. What is icon? Are the small pictures on a desktop that represent programs, files, folder, etc. Okay, not only program, but it also shows your file and your folder also, and etc. and more also you can see. We can open a program by clicking on the mouse button twice on an icon. While opening that, you want to open that any program or any file or a folder, just click with the help of mouse and you are going to click 2 times on that icon. So here are the few icons. This is computer, recycle bin. When you delete any work, goes to the recycle bin. Document, your written work, pictures, and Internet Explorer. This is icon of Internet Explorer. This you are not going to use now. When you go to the higher class, you use this icon also. that your programming you goes on with the help of Internet Explorer. Okay, now we see on the taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of desktop. The main components of a taskbar is the start button. So how does taskbar look? See, bottom of your screen, that you can say, or your desktop, this is the end part of your desktop. So this is the start button, and here are the different program. When you open, here it shows, okay, and here it shows battery charge, and your speaker is on, you can on and off, okay, and date and time also it shows. So it's upon you, whatever changes you want to show in date and time, so it's upon you. Now arranging open windows. How to arrange open windows? For example, you are doing 2-3 program, okay, or you are doing paint also, you are making one card also, in that you are writing some wish also. So how to do that all? We can arrange the program window on the desktop in different ways. Which are the different ways? When we right click on the clock given in the right hand corner of the taskbar, so here clock is also there, here you can see a time, okay. So clock, taskbar, we get a menu with the different option. Let us discuss some of them. So here one picture is also given. Lock the taskbar means no changes, okay, it will lock. And here one more screen is there. Cascade windows. Now what is cascade window? When we click on the cascade window option, the windows of all open programs get arranged in such a way that we can see all or part of each windows with the title bar, okay. See, if it is not clear from this theory, your picture is there. When you zoom your mobile, you can see that one after the another, that is, this is the first window, and backside second, and backside third, and backside four, and backside five. For example, 4-5 windows are there, you did work. So you can click on the cascade window option. So each and every window you can see one after the another, that is one after the backside, okay. So here it is there, and any one you want to see, okay, you want to do any changes from here also, you can go and do any changes, or you can open. Now show window stacked. Window stacked means one upon the other, एक के ऊपर एक. ये था एक के पीछे एक, एंड ये वाला है एक के ऊपर एक दब गया है, ठीक है. सो शो विंडोज स्टैक्ड. On the show window stacked option, the windows of all open program get arranged horizontal like tiles on the desktops, okay. So here is the screen, you can see. एक के ऊपर एक आगे, ऊपर ये पीछे था, ये एक के ऊपर है, ठीक है. कास्केड मीन्स पीछे, स्टैक्ड मीन्स ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक आ गया, वो पीछे की साइड था. तो यहाँ पे आप जब इसको आप क्लिक करते हो तो ये ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन पे आता है, ओके. नाउ ये बैक साइड और ये एक के ऊपर एक आएगा. अगेन शो विंडो साइड बाय साइड. मुझे पीछे पीछे भी नहीं जाना, ऊपर के ऊपर पर नहीं, बट सारे पास 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 चाहिए, यहाँ 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 ऐसे सारे एक साथ देखने एक ही स्क्रीन पे. सो शो विंडो साइड बाय साइड. सो हियर इज द स्क्रीन, फर्स्ट विंडो, सेकंड विंडो, थर्ड विंडो, okay, but you cannot see full window, half you can see, because all are at the one screen. So half of window you can see. When we click on the show window side by side option, all the open programs get arranged vertically like tiles on the desktop. Clear? Next page, page 26, show the desktop, okay, show the desktop. Here is the screen, how your desktop look. Icon, program, files, folder, okay, taskbar. So when we click on the show the desktop option, the windows of all open program minimize. Minimize यानी जो आपके प्रोग्राम ओपन थे यहाँ टास्कबार में छोटे 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 दिखेंगे यहाँ पे. So minimize and we are able to see on the desktop fully. प्रोग्राम जो था वो यहाँ पे फुल देख सकते हो, और जो ओपन थे वो यहाँ पे कि आपने ये प्रोग्राम ओपन किए थे, तो इट विल शोज यू. To display the window of this program, again right click on the clock and click on the show open window option. यहाँ से भी आप open कर सकते हैं. Now next is working with files and folder. A folder is like a bag which may contains many file and sub folders. एक बैग में जैसे सब्जेक्ट बुक होती है ना, तो फोल्डर इज लाइक अ बैग. तो फोल्डर कीप्स फाइल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय ग्रुपिंग देम टुगेदर. When we type or draw something, we save it so that we can use it later. Give it a name so that we can locate it when required. अब जब भी कोई वर्क कर रहे हो तो उसको सेव किया गया, ठीक है, सेव किया गया, लेकिन नेम अगर नहीं दोगे आप तो आपको सर्च करने में प्रॉब्लम होगी. अगर आप नेम दे देते हो तो जब आप वो फोल्डर ओपन करते हो, फोल्डर में से जो आपको फाइल चाहिए या जो फाइल है, फाइल में से आपको कौन सा वर्क लेना है, कौन सी फाइल लेनी है, दैट यू कैन टेक. दिस डॉक्यूमेंट इज कॉल्ड अ फाइल. ओके, फोल्डर है वो एक बैग है, फाइल है जो आपने वर्क किया उसका नेम. तो फोल्डर में से आप फाइल निकाल सकते हो. Therefore a file is a collection of data. See, folder is a bag, उसमें बहुत सारी फाइल होती है, and file is a collection of data, यानी उसमें आपके डिफरेंट वर्क है. फॉर एग्जांपल फाइल में डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट के आपका प्रोजेक्ट है एंड वो फाइल आपकी बैग में है, ठीक है. इसमें stored together, it represent by the software it is made in. A few example of a file icons are shown below. This is MS Word, Notepad, Windows Media Player, Adobe Acrobat, Document. ओके, अभी इसका आपको पता नहीं होगा. यहाँ अगर ब्रदर और सिस्टर आपके हैं, वो अगर स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो आपको पता होगा, और इसका भी. ओके, बट मोस्टली आपके लिए जो है ये आप दोनों नेम जो है फाइल के आप जानते हो, MS Word एंड Notepad. नाउ हाउ टू गिव फाइल नेम. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जस्ट एज योर नेम गिव्स अवर आइडेंटिटी. जैसे आपका नेम से आपको पता चलता है कि आप कौन हो, कौन से स्टूडेंट हो, सेम वे हमारी फाइल का नेम कैसे देना है. प्राइमरी नेम, इट इज़ द नेम गिवन टू अ फाइल. एक नेम दिया गया फाइल में, प्राइमरी बात वो. और दूसरा क्या है, आपने नेम दिया, लेकिन आपको कैसे पता चलेगा ये कौन से वो फाइल कौन से आपके प्रोग्राम में है. ओके, तो एक्सटेंशन से पता चलेगा. इट इज़ द मेन डिफरेंशिएटर, ओके, डिफरेंशिएटर दैट डिटरमाइंस. डिफरेंशिएटर यानी वो अलग से सेपरेट से दिखाता है. दैट डिटरमाइंस द सॉफ्टवेयर इन विच अ फाइल इज सेव्ड. सम आर द एक्सटेंशन. सपोज आपने वर्ड में प्रोग्राम किया है, कोई भी फाइल सेव की है, तो उसमें .docx करके आएगा. MS पेंट में आपने फाइल सेव किया है .png. MS एक्सेल में आपने सेव किया तो .xlsx, और ये ऐसे ही सेपरेट लेटर में ही लिखना होता है. और कंप्यूटर में ये ऑलरेडी ऐसे ही सेव होता है, ठीक है. जब आप लिखते हो तो भी ऐसे ही लिखना है, कर्सिव राइटिंग में ये नहीं आएगा. MS पावर पॉइंट में आप जब वर्क करते हो और सेव किया फाइल तो .pptx, ppt that is PowerPoint X, that is file. Okay, so here we end our today's class, and next we will continue in the next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.